Hello and welcome to Eli Eden Creative. My name is Pam, and we are on day 74 of my 100-day project. Today I got a lot of work done. This is a whole bunch of beads and buttons and shells that I inherited from my wonderful and creative auntie. And today I'm pulling out the drawers and trying to match everything as much as I can and get rid of as much of the plastic and the packaging as possible so that all of these beads are available to me when I'm ready to grab them for whatever I am working on. And believe me, I have been having so many ideas as I touch all of these beads. Some of these beads are all the way from China. My auntie traveled the world. She works with fabric. She's a fabric artist, and that is her passion. So she always brings me treats, and I feel like the luckiest girl in the world. So I am just finishing putting different types of beads into these little packages that are so cool for seed beads. They're like little Tic Tac containers, and they flip open and you can just empty out as much or as little as you want to. So 10 out of 10. So far I'm really liking these little Tic Tac seed bead containers from, I think I got them from the dollar store. So, and the container locks beautifully, and I don't feel nervous that I'm going to drop all these things on the ground. So, yes, here is to organization when we're being creative. Not only do you get to know your supplies, but you get to dream about what you want to make. So, take the time to organize your things. Come back tomorrow and see what I have going on the bench. Get creative. Ta-ra!